Well, before our next hurricane, the North Carolina Department of Transportation will be armed with an advanced flood warning system. It was developed after Hurricane Florence in 2018. The technology relies on a network of 400 river and stream gauges. It covers nearly 3,000 miles of roads in the state, more than 15,000 bridges and culverts. Transportation officials will now be able to use these to monitor real-time flood risks.
That fires either a ultrasonic beam or a microwave beam down to the water, and that bounces back up. And the whole system times the amount of time that it takes to fire the signal, bounce back up, and be received. And that's what reports the water elevation.
NOAA predicts an above-normal 2022 Atlantic hurricane season, which begins on June 1st. We'll break down that forecast coming up tonight at 6 o'clock.